Bitcoin has been getting a bounce back towards the upside, but this is going to be the calm before the storm. A massive breakout is going to be inevitable, while a lot of liquidity is piling up right now. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly, because we are getting some mixed signals in the market right now, getting this rejection, getting a rejection by the EMA ribbons, but this all while we are in a very bullish stage of the market. So we need to be talking about that exactly right now. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yeah, in that short term, Bitcoin has been beautifully bouncing back towards the upside after hitting this level of support, after being oversold on the RSI indicator. Now, right now on the RSI indicator, we are just forming this downtrend over here. We want to be breaking above this downtrend in order to be breaking back bullish again. And then if we are going to be breaking above this downtrend, I do think we can be initiating that next leg towards the upside. So let's wait and see whenever that is going to be happening. I mean, in that imminent short term, we're just developing another short-term consolidation. On that hourly time frame, we are creating this downward sloping level of resistance. At the same time, this upward sloping level of support, and a massive breakout is going to be inevitable in the coming few hours. Now, yes, one thing we need to be slightly careful of is that we are breaking back inside of the lower side of this range over here. Yes, we could be having a look in towards a level of support at this level over here, but we have also fallen down below this level of support. So definitely not looking very good for the short-term price action for Bitcoin. At the same time, also falling down below the EMA ribbons and exactly retesting it from previous support in towards current resistance. So not looking good. But like we have exactly been talking about yesterday, well, we definitely do not want to be bearish over here, because if we're still just going to be zooming out, the Bitcoin price action is still looking very good. This is going to be a massive opportunity in the market. We're still just waiting for this continuation towards the upside. So we definitely do not want to be bearish over here. And that's why I'm thinking that even if we're going to be seeing a little bit of a breakdown in that immediate short term, well, that's just going to be a massive good opportunity in the market, because we're still having this liquidity wick towards the downside. And in the case of a little bit of a breakdown, we are just going to be creating a bullish divergence over here on that RSI indicator. And in that case, this would be a very good and bullish setup to once again break back towards the upside. So yeah, I am not going to be bearish at all at the current moment. It would be absolutely foolish and stupid to be bearish over here while we are getting these bullish signals and while we are literally on the verge of breaking out towards the upside again with our continuation. So I'm just going to be waiting for that. But I'm just going to be saying, all right, if we're going to be forming this bullish divergence in that short term, this would be an amazing opportunity to be once again scaling in towards the market. Because yeah, that imminent short term might be just looking a little bit bad. So yeah, keep that in mind. This could be happening. I'm not saying it is going to happen, but if it were to happen, it would be a good opportunity in the market, in my opinion. Anyways, also have a look into this RSI downtrend over here on that 12-hour time frame. Whenever we break this one out towards the upside, I definitely do think the next leg towards the upside is going to be getting initiated. So look out for that. Anyways, Bitcoin is trading inside of a very bullish month over here. February, historically speaking, we have seen a 14% gain. Last year, we have seen a 43% gain towards the upside. Absolutely insane. So yeah, do keep that in mind. February, historically speaking, is a very bullish month for Bitcoin and in general also altcoins. Now, more exactly about altcoins a little bit later. First of all, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now get a Rolex only by having a trading volume above 100 million, which is still pretty easily achievable. And if you are going to be reaching that, you can literally get a Rolex for free, which is going to be absolutely insane. So make sure to be checking that one out with the first link down below. Now, Blofin is the best exchange currently available, but the most regulated exchange is going to be Bybit. So make sure to be checking that one out if that's going to be more interesting to you. Anyways, having a look in towards the altcoins, well, the Bitcoin dominance is right now still looking to be getting this rejection by this major trend line. Of course, we have seen a huge fake out over here, a huge shakeout over here just like we have been seeing over here during this stage over here. Yeah, we can be drawing this level of resistance. We've been seeing a shakeout towards the top side, and then we saw the start of the real alt season. So right now we might just be seeing the same exact thing, a shakeout, and right now the real alt season getting started. Let's see if that is going to be happening. I mean, still, for the Bitcoin dominance, it is going to be looking good. Still, I do think it will be happening. The cycle is still going to be repeating. If we're going to be having a look in towards the total 3, well, we are just exactly consolidating below the previous all-time high with a bull flag pattern. So it is only just going to be a matter of time until this one breaks towards the upside, and then all of the altcoins are going to be exploding. We are going to be making so much money, but like I have explained, what we need to see is the DXY to also break towards the downside. Right now, yeah, it is breaking above our top side of the range, but it is only going to be a matter of time until we fall back down below. And whenever we fall down back down below, inside of this range, I think then the true altcoin season can be getting started. Then all of the altcoins can be exploding, because right now people are getting a little bit less risky. But whenever the dollar is falling, that's going to be the moment where, yeah, people are going to be switching into a risk on assets. Anyways, gold is already moving exponentially towards the upside. We are getting this massive breakout towards the upside, and right now, in the short term, it is reaching new all-time highs again. Now, we do know that usually Bitcoin follows gold a little bit later, with a little bit of a delay. So if gold is breaking outside towards the upside right now, reaching these new all-time highs, well, it is going to be expected that Bitcoin is just going to be following, but a little bit later. So keep that in mind. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be following, well, all of these altcoins are most likely also going to be following. So yeah, looking very good, looking very bullish. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.